ChordBuddy.com. Hey guys, Travis here with ChordBuddy.com. Had a request from someone, sent me an email and wanted me to do Whiskey on My Breath by, who is it by? By Love and Theft. I've never done this song, and so just a disclaimer, when I do these songs, I'm not doing it for a song for me, to put out for people to listen to per se. So sometimes I don't get the phrasing just right because I can't spend, sadly, I can't spend a ton of time learning the exact phrasing. And my purpose for doing it is to show you more with the ChordBuddy, what to do as far as playing the ChordBuddy or strum pattern. So if my inflection, that was the word I was looking for, if my inflection isn't quite right, just forgive me for it. You can go back and learn it, the way it needs to be. This is actually, it said on my tabs, by the way, a cool app is Guitar Tabs by Ultimate Guitar. There's a paid version and a free version. I use the paid because I need to do extra things with it because I use it all the time. But there's a free version that you can get a lot of use out of. But it said it's in the key of C, but it's actually in the key of D, but they're capoing up 2 frets. And they're playing it out of the key of C, but it's really in the key of D. ChordBuddy, as we know, is in the key of G. All right, so it changes everything around, so you can't play the ChordBuddy and play it with a YouTube video or with your CD or how you're listening to it. And so your strum pattern on this is sort of like. And what it is, it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And my phone, if it goes black screen, I'm going to have to stop playing and touch it. But maybe it'll get me through the first verse and chorus. It's actually the same stuff. The second verse is played just like the first verse. The choruses are the same. There is a little lead ride in there, but it just goes back and forth from C to G. But this would be the gist of it for you. So I hope you get some use out of this. I woke up with a pounding head, with a bottle lying in the bed. There was a little left, so I picked it up and killed the rest. Or I know I'm going to heaven, but I can't with me like this. I need to pull myself together no, I ain't afraid of dying, but what scares me to death is meeting Jesus. The whiskey on my breath. So that's the gist of it. Again, I know my inflections might be not exactly on with their going up and down vocally, and I may have held that last whiskey on my breath one beat or two too long, but you'll get it. I mean, that's the gist of it. So again, thanks for sending me your emails. I will do as many of them as I can, as often as I can. Please spread the good word of ChordBuddy, and our website's right here, ChordBuddy.com. Go there, spread these videos. Our purpose at ChordBuddy is one, to make more guitar players and make them successful. Statistically, 9 out of 10 people would try to play the guitar, but 7 out of 10 will quit over the first 60 days. So that's my job here. My goal is to get you over that 60 days, over that 2-month hump, so that you don't quit and you're playing songs immediately using the ChordBuddy, and then you wean yourself off of it. Okay? So anyway, thanks a lot. Send me your emails to travis@chordbuddy.com, and I will do them as often as I can. Thanks a lot.